Good morning. I'm meteorologist Lynette Charles in the ABC2 Storm Center, and I have an update for you on Irene. Let's check out what's going on right now on the satellite radar. You can see it's spinning and making its move into eastern North Carolina, and it's definitely going to make landfall over the next few hours here. And also those outer rain bands are reaching all the way up into southern Maryland at this time. We can see Hurricane Irene now. It is a Category 1, but we're already getting lots of cloud cover across the area. Let me show you Maryland's most powerful radar as of now, and definitely looking at the fact that we have the showers down into Ocean City. The heavier actually rain bands as well. I'm going to go ahead and try to zoom in on some of these areas because we can see those reds, those yellows. That's moderate to heavy rainfall coming in around Ocean City as of now, and we can see it over into Salisbury as well, into Pocomoke City, and we're going to be seeing that into Del Mar, and all this is going to be pushing up towards the north as we go through the remainder of today. So definitely the hurricane tracker is showing you the fact that it has now been downgraded a little bit to the wind speed now at about 90 miles an hour sustained. It is moving to the north-northeast at about 12 miles an hour. Again, this is a Category 1 hurricane, but we do believe that it still will be a Cat 1 as it pushes over us as we go through the remainder of this evening and also into tomorrow morning. So with that said, it makes its next landfall as it moves into New England. And as we check this out, we are definitely going to be dealing with some very gusty winds on the backside of this as well. So that's what we will have to contend with as we go into your Sunday. But in the meantime for today, definitely some heavy winds, and we can see the track now. Looks like it's keeping it just offshore, so that's definitely some good news. We like to see that. But with that wind field being so wide, we're definitely going to be getting some tropical storm warnings in here, which we already have. But check out the hurricane categories now. Once again, this is a Category 1, the wind speed 74 to 95, and we can see Irene was 90. So a strong Category 1 as of now, and you can see the categories go all the way down to 5, 156 miles an hour. So that makes it a Category 5, but we're not dealing with that, thank goodness. That's definitely a different animal. But check out the impacts that we're going to get from Irene today. We definitely are going to get that wind. Once again, the tropical storm force winds extend all the way out at about 260 miles from the center, and also the hurricane force winds extend out about 90 miles from the center. So again, we do have the tropical storm warnings and hurricanes around the area. I'm going to show you that in just a second. But we're also dealing with storm surge, and that could be about 4 to 8 feet. So the coastal area is definitely going to get hammered. And as we look at the rainfall totals, definitely looking at about 6 to 10 inches of some rain. You can also get tornadoes with tropical landfalling systems. I don't believe that's going to be too much of a problem for our area today, but North Carolina definitely is under a tornado watch in that area. As we look at the tropical warnings for today, you can see in the light shading there, Baltimore is in that. We're looking at the inland areas. So 40 to 73 miles an hour, definitely possible as we go throughout today, tonight, and into tomorrow morning. And then you can see the red shading there. That's your hurricane warnings. Those winds will be about 74 to 100 miles or maybe even more. That's around the Ocean City area and also extending into Caroline County and also into Talbot County at this time as well. We're not only dealing with the wind for today, we're also dealing with the rain, which could cause some flooding. So we do have a flash flood watch, and that is in effect for Saturday afternoon, which is today afternoon as we go into tomorrow morning. So I'm going to be here all day. I'm going to be keeping you updated. Wyatt's going to join me a little bit later. I'm going to join you on my Facebook and just keep you updated with this storm because it is going to be a little bit on the nasty side, but we'll get through it together, and I'm here to keep you safe. I'll have more updates coming up.